In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of a text box in Google Slides. This is a handy skill to enhance the visual appeal of your presentations and make important information stand out. Let's dive in and explore just how simple this process can be. To begin, open Google Slides and navigate to the presentation where you'd like to make the change. Once there, identify the specific slide containing the text box you'd like to modify. Click on the text box to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border surrounding the text box, indicating that you're ready to make changes. Now that you've selected the text box, look towards the top of your screen at the toolbar. There, you will find an icon that looks like a paint bucket. This represents the Fill Color tool, which is crucial for this task. Click on the paint bucket icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing a variety of color options for you to choose from. You have a spectrum of default colors, but if you don't find exactly what you're looking for, don't worry. At the bottom of the color menu, there's an option labeled Custom. Clicking on this will allow you to create a custom color by adjusting RGB values or using a hex code if you have one in mind. Once you've chosen the desired color, click on it. The background of your selected text box will instantly change to the color you've chosen, giving it a fresh, distinctive look that can aid in emphasizing your content. Remember, selecting the right background color can significantly impact your audience's perception and understanding of your presentation. Light colors are typically easier on the eyes, especially for large amounts of text, whereas bright or dark colors might be more suitable for titles or sections you want to highlight. Take a moment to consider the overall design and color scheme of your presentation to ensure everything looks cohesive. If you need to adjust or revert your changes, simply repeat these steps and select a new color or opt for a transparent background by choosing the None option on the Fill Color menu. This straightforward process of changing the background color of a text box in Google Slides can really elevate the design of your presentation. It's all about experimenting with this tool and finding what works best for your specific needs. Practice can help you become more adept at using Google Slides, enhancing both your confidence and the quality of your presentations. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to explore the help resources provided by Google or reach out to others who might share some useful tips. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel more equipped to make your presentations visually compelling. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy presenting.